Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video I want to show you how you can make a simple granny square and turn it into bags, blankets or pouch or cushions. So we will start with granny square. First of all, make a magic ring and then make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 will count as a 1 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet. 1, and 2. Now we will make chain 2, and with the chain 3 we have 3 double crochet in total. Now we will make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Again we will make chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Again chain 2 and 3 double crochet. At last we will again make chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the third chain of previous chain 3. We will make more 2 or 1 slip stitch. Now you can see that we have a simple mini square. Now we will going to increasing. In our second round make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now make 2 double crochet. Chain 3 will again count as a 1 double crochet. Now make chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Again make chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. And chain 2. We will repeat this till the end, and at the last we will make chain 2 and we will make slip stitch into the previous chain 3. We will make more 2 slip stitches. Our second round is completed. Again we will make chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Chain 2. Now we will make 3 double crochet into the previous chain 2. 1, 2 and 3. Again we will make chain 2 and we will fill the corner like this. We will fill all corners and chain 2 gap as we fill here and make the corners like this. I will meet you at the end of this round. At the end of this round we will make chain 2 and as usual make the slip stitch into the previous chain 3, make 2 slip stitches in the next gaps, again make chain 3 and 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, again chain 2. Now you can see that we have 2 gaps. We will make 3 double crochet in both 2 gaps and fill this corner as I have filled this corner and fill all these gaps with 3 double crochet. I will meet you at the end of this round. For granny scare I have used polyester yarn which is a little bit fluffy. You can choose your according to your ease or your choice. Now we are going to complete our round number 4. We will complete our round number 5, that is final round of our granny square. We will make chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and then 3 double crochet and then fill the gap with 3 double crochet and make the corners as we have make these corners. Round number 5 is near to completion. Now we will make slip stitch and make more 2 slip stitches, and here we will make chain 1 and then cut the yarn. Our granny scare is completed. Now I will show you how we can decorate it. We will decorate it with this flat flower. I will paste the video of this flat flower into the description. I will paste its link, video link in my description. You can sew or paste it with hot glue gun on the granny scare in this way or in this way, and you can make your bags and blankets, baby blankets, cushions, and even all the things you want to make with this beautiful granny scale decoration. If you like my video, we will make more granny scale in different ways, inshallah, and we will meet in next video, inshallah. If you like my video, keep subscribing and keep supporting. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.